Hi there. Today I'm going to be undercoating some models using Mechanicus standard grey spray paint from Citadel. So I've come outside here so I don't get in trouble for spray painting inside, and I've set up a bunch of models just on some sticky tape here. Here are the survivors and the Lucille token from Mantic's Here's Negan. I've got some others just on the side there, which I'll also be undercoating. So just to catch any loose spray, I've got a box sat here, just an old cardboard box there, just opened out. Give the spray paint a good shake, and then you just want to be spraying light bursts so you don't clog up any detail on the models. And then it's just turn around. And it looks like we've got a decent coverage on the models there. And Lucille. So the key things to remember with the spray paint is just a little bit of distance, light sweeping sprays, that way you don't clog up the detail on the models. Just, like I say, having them on here lets you move it around a little bit and not get loads of paint on your hands. So that is the Citadel Mechanicus standard grey spray paint, available from Carsun's Bazaar. Links down below. Thank you.